In a study by Dr. Gail Matthews at Dominican University, people who wrote down their goals were 42% more likely to achieve them. But when those goals were visualized, not just written, the success rate climbed even higher. So why do most people's vision boards just turn into pretty Pinterest-style collages, forgotten in a closet? Because most people design vision boards for fantasy, not for function. Let's change that. Number 1, start with clarity, not clutter. Before you cut out a single photo or grab your scissors, ask yourself this: what does my ideal life actually look like day by day? Not just the dream house or the fancy car, but your energy when you wake up, how you spend your time, who surrounds you, what your workday feels like. Pro tip: use the perfect day exercise. Close your eyes and imagine one perfect weekday, from waking up to falling asleep. Where are you? Who are you with? What work are you doing? How do you feel? Write that down before you touch a magazine or Pinterest board. This is your foundation. Number 2, focus on feelings, not just things. Vision boards often become a gallery of things: cars, cash, and condos. But it's not the thing you want. It's the feeling the thing gives you. Instead of just pinning a Lamborghini, ask, what's the emotion behind it? Maybe it's confidence, status, or freedom. Now, find images that evoke those emotions: a wide open road, someone laughing in the sun, a moment of power. These stir your subconscious more than a brand logo ever will. Number 3, divide your board into life domains. To design a life that's balanced and sustainable, build your board around key life areas. Try these 6 domains. Number 1, health and energy. Number 2, career and finances. Number 3, relationships. Number 4, personal growth. Number 5, adventure and travel. Number 6, spirituality or inner peace. This helps avoid tunnel vision, where your board ends up being 90% career and you forget about your relationships or inner well-being. Number 4, use real images and real words. Don't settle for vague stock images or glittery quotes. Use visuals that actually mean something to you. A real photo of your dream vacation spot. A picture of someone doing the job you want. A dollar amount written in your handwriting. Even better, include pictures of yourself in moments of strength and joy. Also, add powerful words or affirmations that are active and specific. Instead of "be successful," try run a design business earning $100,000 per year while working 4 days a week. That's a command to your subconscious, not just a hope. Number 5, make it visible and interactive. Here's where most people drop the ball. They make the board, then hide it. If you want your brain to stay aligned with your goals, your vision board must be seen daily. Put it where you'll see it first thing in the morning, above your desk, next to your mirror, or as your laptop wallpaper. And don't just look at it, interact with it. Touch it. Say affirmations out loud. Visualize each image as already real. You're reprogramming your brain through repetition. Number 6, set action anchors. Your vision board is the why. But what about the how? Pair every major image or goal with one tiny daily action. Want to be in shape and energized? Pin a picture of your ideal self next to a post-it that says, 10-minute morning workout. Dreaming of moving to Austin, Texas? Add a sticky note. Research housing options this Saturday. These action anchors make the dream practical. Suddenly, it's not some far-off future. It's a project you've already started. Number 7, revisit and refresh every 90 days. Life changes, so should your vision board. Set a quarterly check-in, once every 90 days, to review what's still aligned, what's been achieved, what no longer excites you. Updating your vision board keeps it alive, not stuck in last year's fantasy. Growth is fluid. Your board should be, too. Your vision board isn't magic, but it can train your focus, fuel your drive, and pull the future into the present if you build it with intention. Design the life you want, not by accident, but on purpose. That life you keep imagining, it's waiting for you to claim it.